Someone comment on my last video about how to start TikTok shop. I never made a video about it because there's so many videos on it and I feel like I don't have enough success to tell you, but I am going to tell you. So yesterday I posted a video about my first $100 day and it wound up being my first $200 day. I posted a short about it, but I didn't want to make a new video, but since someone asked for this video, it's a $200 day. So I started with a $200 day, not a $100 day. Anyways, TikTok shop, how to start. Now you can get in with 1,000 followers if you're posting consistently and they have to let you in early. It doesn't guarantee that you'll get in early. I personally have a trading channel. It took me a year to get to 5,000 followers, which is the usual minimum for TikTok shop. That was the original minimum, $5,000. I mean, 5,000 followers. So I just ran ads. Once I ran ads to 1,000, I was like, okay, maybe I can get in. I did not get in because obviously I wasn't really posting. I was just running ads and I had like 2 videos and I was running ads on them. So my suggestion was just to run ads to get to 5,000 quick. It took me like what? 2 weeks, however much money I wanted to spend. Some people say you can do it for $100 to $200. It took me around $500, which was a lot of money. I put 300 in, and I had 150 or 200 left from when I was dropshipping in my ad account, which was great. And then I got in immediately though, and I wound up getting way more. I got like 5,400, which was good because I wound up losing like 100 followers, like 150 followers. So you can do it that way. If you don't want to grow organically, you should pay. If you want to grow organically, it might take you a while, or you can buy an account already ready. But I've heard that sometimes they can get shut down. So if you just run ads, it's organic. You're running ads to get followers from real people seeing your things. It's actually so much better. Now, once you get in, you just post videos of products. I've been doing it for a month and I've been seeing different things. I've been seeing, get all the trendy products, which I have got, like, and a lot of supplements you can't return. My thing was to get things I can return and return them. And I forgot supplements cannot be returned. So I spent like $200 and I could only return like 50 of my first batch of products, which was so annoying. Other than that, or people are suggesting now, do stuff you already have at home. I've been trying to do, I'm doing a water pick video. I have a water pick. I've done a Crocs video. I've done, a waist trainer for Sweet Sweat Pro Series. I want to do more videos on that. I have a walking pad. My dad has a walking pad, so I'm about to do a bunch of videos on that today. I'm about to record a bunch of videos today. And yeah, so you just do that or post videos on wherever first, because what my experience is, I've been posting a lot of videos and I haven't been going viral. I think I've had like a $20 day. I made $20 last month. Nothing crazy, like 15 sales. However, people have been liking my videos. Apparently, these brands, they reach out to me and they're running ads on my videos. So that's how I got my first $200 day. People were running ads and I was making them money from the ads. So like when I would drop ship, I would hire someone to clip things together and make me UGC ads. Now we're making them in TikTok shop and then people are just paying us and they're running the ads and then we get the commission. So it actually is a win-win for everybody, which is the best part. I wish they had this when I was doing drop shipping, but so if you're drop shipping, it's a good time to as well. However, there's still a lot of logistics with that. So just start making the content. I suggest, again, like I said, paying to get in or buying an account is just so much faster. I don't have the patience. Like I said, it took me a year to get 5,000 followers on TikTok shop. I mean, in general, on my trading page and on my main business page. So if you don't want to wait, it could take you months. It could take you a year. I think a year should be about the longest, I think. Usually it could be a few months, whatever. I've seen people say start posting TikTok shop videos now because you can add the links later, which is a good idea. I thought about doing that, but again, I just didn't. I want to get in and everything I make, kind of like what I did with YouTube, paying to get monetized and then getting the money after that, which it kind of does hurt your account in the beginning because you don't have 5,000 organic people following you. However, all the money you make comes like right after that. So it's super dope. You can watch so many other videos on it. If you like my video, I'm going to link this video under that comment so you know to watch this. But yes, you just get 5,000 followers or 1,000 followers. But if you do 1,000, you need to be posting like 3 to 5 times regularly. They're not going to let you in with just 1,000 followers with ads and you don't have any videos. You got to be posting regularly, being an active, engaging person. You can just run ads. At 5,000, you can have one post and just run ads on that post or two posts or whatever. And then just run ads, boom. And then once you get in, boom. And if you want to know the ad, you do a pretty girl lip singing to something, and then you put mass following or I fall for follow. And then I did that one, and then I found another video of a girl just using her hand to that sound, like ding, 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 like the notification sound. She's like following every girly who follows me, something like that. And it's just a hand. and it was just like to that viral TikTok sound, like ding, like sounds like the phone, like a bunch of text messages basically. So I used those two videos did the best for me. I tried a few other ones and they did not. You have to edit them a little bit so they don't get banned for unoriginal content. So I would like mirror them, add a filter over them where it's like editing it itself, you know. And I tried 6 videos and 2 did not get unoriginal violations. So that's why you need to try a bunch. And then once those 2, they go. And then the hand one, I did it. I flipped it and I put the words back on it. And they're still on my TikTok shop page, all the way at the bottom. I might can show y'all actually on this video. They're all the way at the bottom. It's gonna take. Well, it's not gonna take. I've been TikTok a month. I've been TikTok shop for 1 month, so I do have a lot of videos. But I've scrolled down before and I've saw like where I started. So let me do that right now. But yeah, so you'll basically just get pretty girls. If you are a pretty girl, better. I'm not saying I'm not a pretty girl, but I just am not as skinny as I want to be. I am skinnier now than I was when I started TikTok shop. I've lost a lot of weight since I started TikTok shop, getting my weight back together. Also, they like men are weird. They like those like young looking girls, and it's really annoying actually. This girl I don't think is that young. I meant to DM her because I'm a girl's girl and be like, your videos are so tea. I tried to use another one of her videos and it didn't even work. So this girl, this is the video. And I put teamwork, I follow back. And I ran an ad on this. She ate that, my girl ate that. And then I tried a bunch, and I tried this one. This is the only one that didn't get banned, but it didn't convert. It didn't convert. And then this is the hand one that started converting. So you can actually steal these on my page if you want. And then, it says me following every single girl doing the teamwork trend. I love supporting us. That really helps. And I've seen a bunch of ads since. And I posted stuff like this to try to get in at 1,000. So I was posting 3 times a day. And then obviously I stopped. And then these stopped converting a lot. Like, so basically I was getting like 5 cents per follow at first. And then they started getting up to take 10 cents. And now that's why I got up to $500 fucking dollars. Because my first 1,000 took me like 70, 60 bucks. Like, oh, I'm gonna be straight. I'm gonna be like at 350. No. So then I started posting myself and running ads on those, and obviously they did not convert. I tried to. Hey y'all, new wannabe affiliate here. So just try both, and you might naturally get some, but obviously try the pretty girl and yourself first, and then that's how you run ads, and you have to run ads in the TikTok Ads Manager. Don't promote on the TikTok app. No, you gotta do it like a real business. I used to run ads in my dropshipping company, so that's how I knew you gotta make an ads TikTok Ads Manager account, run ads, optimize for following. There's plenty of videos on TikTok for that, and I'll make one myself actually, because I feel like you're gonna have questions. I'll make a video about how to run TikTok ads next after this. And then once you get in, you just start posting and you start researching strategies, get validated if you want, copying viral videos, getting the daily virals. There's so many apps out there. Try to do it on your own for a month first is what I did, to just not spend a bunch of money. And then you'll learn and you'll go as you go. But like I said, post for a month, let the brands come to you. They're all running ads anyway before TikTok Shop, so they don't mind running ads again. I had to run ads only. I didn't have affiliates when I was doing my dropshipping company, so I had to pay as a nobody with using my own money, and a lot of people will. So do with that what you will. Good luck, and I'll make a video on how to run Facebook, TikTok ads next.